Today is Tuesday, March 23rd. This is the 1969-1970 Cadillac Deville rear skirt for my friend Stanley in Indianapolis. This is an absolutely beautiful condition. Original vintage 1969 Cadillac Deville skirt. And the unit has been completely cleaned. And it has absolutely no holes in it whatsoever. All the surface rust has been brushed away. And this unit is ready for primer prep. It's an absolutely beautiful, pristine condition as far as steel skirts go. And this will be going to my friend Stanley as soon as I get his okay to ship. Reply confirmation. This is George in Florida. I have over 75,000 original vintage parts for the 1967 to 1970 Cadillacs. Over 375,000 parts from 1959 to 1978. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the steering columns, power seat mechanisms, instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac components. Today is Tuesday, March 23rd. This is George in Florida. Thank you very kindly.